If your brake fluid in your vehicle is old, a few years, you may want to change it. The traditional method to do this is to go to a mechanic, and they're going to get underneath your vehicle. They're going to get pretty dirty. They're going to have to go through the process of bleeding all your brake lines. An easier route is for you at home to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do that right here. What I have is I think this is a turkey baster. I've opened up my brake reservoir, and I'm going to pull out the old fluid from here and put it into this container. I've actually done this process once already. This is the second time going through it. The fluid is still, at this point, quite dirty, even with the second iteration of this. But it's getting cleaner. A few more pumps using this turkey baster should remove all the fluid from this reservoir. The reservoir does not contain all the brake fluid. There's some in the lines, but minimal. That's why you have to do this process a few times. Let's pull out all the fluid we can from the reservoir, and then we simply add our new fluid. You can get this for a few dollars from your auto parts store. The disadvantage of going this route rather than getting underneath your vehicle is you have to do it a few times. You have to buy maybe 2 or 3 of these containers, but that's not too bad. You can see our old fluid is quite dirty. Let's put in our new fluid, which will run much more transparent. Look how clean that fluid is. Put in enough to make it to your fill line. In this case, max line is noted here. And then we drive around, pump our brakes. No need for bleeding the brakes. Maybe you want to do this after driving a few hundred miles. Do it again. So then you empty out most of the brake fluid in the entire system. I hope this helps you with your project.